got any news on the t-shirts?
Usually like to talk about other things, you know, because t-shirts are a boring subject to talk about, but I'm trying liven it up. We're getting a multi-coloured t-shirt.
Are we?
Pretty much nearly the final days of Little Boy Blue now. Tiny 57 now. 3 cases. Which is that building, and the main lava building. I actually don't even know what these two buildings are actually called specifically, but I know obviously that one there. So yeah, we're here today by Liverpool and the food races. I think everyone's taking photos today. It's like a bit of a tourist attraction in Liverpool. So one of the main reasons why we're here is pretty much Mammoth is a new company, a new music brand that we're doing, and we're doing our first music video, which is called Little Boy Blue. So we're kind of like wrapping it up the next couple of days by the sea, by the beautiful buildings, the Museum of Liverpool, the food races. Just like the backdrop is just amazing here anyway. So it's been 2-3 weeks of just pure madness trying to get things together, just improvising a lot of it, as the cameraman knows. Well,
I've got a fly on my nose right now.
kind of relieved to get it pretty much nearly finished now and just get it all edited and get it out to everyone to listen to, the first very song that we're going to do. And hopefully in the next couple of weeks we're going to be working with other artists and doing loads of collaborations, and then we got a little bit of a other thing that we're going to bring out soon, but I don't want to say too much about it yet.
A teaser. Bro, you're such a teaser, Tom.
Some more shots. Flying seagulls. What's that band from Liverpool? Some seagulls, wasn't it?
Seagulls.
Oh,
Little seagulls.
I can't believe I forgot the name. Some seagulls, flying seagulls or something.
Flying.
Everyone's in the comments going, I can't believe you didn't know that. But yeah, they were quite famous. And they were music band as well.
We let that out.
We can keep that in. Oh, so really good one for all you gents out there. Check it out. I don't want to shout too much because people are reading books, drinking coffee. We're going to be finding some t-shirts, do some designs for Noisy Mammoth Army.
For you know who.
You know who. We've got to go and meet up with him soon as well. Yeah, Liverpool today in Liverpool 1. If you're in Liverpool 1 yourself, check it out.
It's wrapped today like the weather.
We've got a little tea, coffee, cheers, past that, just a bit appetite.
Give value to get value.
Give value to get value. I'm going to get some t-shirts today, and then hopefully get some designs soon, and then a couple of meetings coming up soon, so things will be good. So stay tuned for some more music very soon, guys. Thank you very much.